Hi, in this video, I will demonstrate how to set your wireless nodes to idle mode. In order to be able to communicate to a node and configure it, the node must be in what is called idle mode. On the node, this is indicated by the green LED pulsing or throbbing. If the node is in a low-powered mode called sleep or a sample mode, then you can set the node to idle in SensorConnect. Simply click on the node, then click on the Set to Idle tile. Wait a moment until you see the message indicate that the node has successfully been set to idle. If you have multiple nodes that you want to set to idle, you can do so by clicking on the base station, then clicking the Set Nodes to Idle tile. This will show you a list of nodes on that operating channel that are available to set to idle. You can modify the list by removing nodes that you do not want to set to idle, then click Set Nodes to Idle. There is also an option called Broadcast to all nodes on frequency, in my example, frequency 26. What this does is it'll send out a broadcast to all nodes on that operating channel to set all of the nodes to idle. Only use this option if you're okay setting every single node on that channel to idle mode. Then click Set Nodes to Idle. For more information, or if you have any questions, please reference the product user manual found on our website, or you can contact technical support by phone or email.